Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power to avoid shocks. Turn the wall switch off, and if you want extra safety, flip the breaker. Once done, position a stable ladder so you can reach the fixture comfortably. Make sure its feet are secure. Put on gloves and safety glasses because glass can break. Next, inspect the existing bulb to note the base type and wattage so you grab the correct replacement. Now climb the ladder with the new bulb in one hand and a cloth in the other. You hold the fixture or shade with one hand to prevent it from shifting while you loosen the bulb. Then turn the bulb counterclockwise with steady pressure. If it's tight, wrap a cloth around it for better grip and avoid squeezing with bare hands. Once the bulb comes free, carefully set it aside and look into the socket. Check for dark burn marks, corrosion, or loose wires. This quick inspection tells you whether the socket is healthy and safe to accept the new bulb. You install the replacement by aligning the base and turning clockwise until it's snug. Do not over-tighten because that can damage the socket. Once seated, reattach any glass or covers, climb down, and restore power at the switch or breaker. Turn the fixture on to test brightness and stability. If the light flickers, stays off, or trips the breaker, make sure the bulb is fully seated and the breaker is on. If problems persist, the socket or wiring.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.